Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are fine. If you are new here, my name is Ovi and today I will discuss about holdover tenant. So what is holdover tenant? Holdover tenant is a tenant who remains in the land after the expiry of the lease period. For example, if Mr. A gives lease his land to Mr. B for 3 years, if B remains in the land after 3 years, then B will be considered as holdover tenant. Here after 3 years, in his remaining of the land, if A takes rent payment from B, then B can legally occupy that land. But if A won't accept rent payment from B, then B will be considered as a trespasser. So when holdover tenant will be valid? This is enumerated in section 116 of the Transfer of Property Act. If we go through section 116 of the Transfer of Property Act, we can understand when a holdover tenant will be valid. In section 116, we will find 3 elements. First elements, we need to show that there is a remaining in the land after the expiry of the lease period. Then the lessor accept rent payment or assent to leave or use that land to the lessee, and there is no agreement in the contrary. So these are the 3 elements. If we can show, then we can say that this particular holdover tenant is a valid. For example, in the example, we see that there was a remaining in the land after the 3 years. So the first element was there. And if Mr. A takes rent from Mr. B, then the second element will also be there. And there is no agreement to the contrary. So these 3 elements will make that holdover tenant a valid holdover tenant. But if A won't accept rent payment, then B will be considered as a trespasser. So this is all about holdover tenant. Thanks for watching.